Being one of the most important days, June 5 marks World Environment Day. In an attempt to create awareness, Bollywood actress Bhumi Pednekar has turned into a climate warrior and kick-started an initiative wherein she urged her friends and peers from the film fraternity to share their one wish for the earth.
My one wish for the earth is that every individual realizes that climate change is real. We start creating awareness about it and we kind of change. We learn to coexist with nature. We realize that this is not our planet alone. So yeah, that is my one wish for the earth.
Many celebrities from the film fraternity, including Amitabh Bachchan, Anushka Sharma, Akshay Kumar, and others, have shared their wish for the earth and spread awareness about the need to be more environment friendly in day-to-day choices.
Our beautiful planet that has sustained us now needs us to protect it more than ever. During this time, we as a community must tread carefully and act immediately. A lot of damage has been done and climate change is a grave reality that all of us are facing. Today, the one wish that I have is that we all work towards rebuilding Mother Nature by the simplest act of planting trees. I consider this to be one of the most basic and efficient deeds that we can all exercise individually and also urge others to do so. So guys, let us all do our bit to heal and rebuild the only planet we have. So join me and become a climate warrior.
Hi, I'm Anushka Sharma and my wish for Earth is, I wish that we would treat the plant and animal species as just as significant a part of nature as the human species. I wish that we would not treat them as a means to an end, because at the end of the day, we're all one. I'm a climate warrior. Are you?
These are exceptional times that we've seen in the last few months. It is time to wake up, it is time to take notice, it is time to participate. This Environment Day, my one wish for the earth is, or rather a request for all of us, use water wisely. It is a scarce resource, and right now we are even more dependent on it to wash our hands at regular intervals to battle this pandemic. However, in the endeavor to keep ourselves safe, we should not forget about the bigger goal. We need to use water wisely and conservatively, so that our future generations have enough and more. It's my humble request to all of you to become climate warriors and work towards a clean and a green future. Thank you.
Hey guys, so it's World Environment Day soon and I was asked what can I wish for this World Environment Day और एक ही चीज़ मेरे दिमाग में. Let's reduce the use of plastic. On a day-to-day basis at least, हम सब तो कुछ ना कुछ कर ही सकते हैं. We've already caused a lot of harm unknowingly and in some cases knowingly. We've seen our marine life suffer. And the fear and anxiety of our future generation suffering, knowing that only 9% can be recycled of the plastic that is there in this world. So baki 91% might never be recycled and it might just remain. I feel now is the time for change. Now is the time to be a climate warrior. And that small change for me started when I moved on from plastic bottles and started using metal bottles. मुझे पता है बहुत छोटी चीज़ लगती है लेकिन मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी शुरुआत थी. So yeah, I believe small changes matter and I'm a climate warrior. Are you?
Hi guys, I'm Ananya Pandey. If I had one wish for Earth, it would be to save endangered species, which are on the verge of extinction. Our planet is blessed to have so many diverse species and forms of life. Unfortunately, as a result of human race's unending exploitation, some of the most beautiful species of animals have already gotten extinct or are on the verge of extinction. Why? Because we have threatened their habitat. Planet Earth is as much theirs as it is ours. Deforestation, pollution, overpopulation, and animal cruelty are a few of the major reasons for it. We must all learn to coexist and be sensitive with our actions towards them. As we all grew up, we were all taught lessons of coexistence, kindness, and compassion in school. But putting it into execution is in our hands. So let's not forget about our fellow creatures whom we share our home with and make our planet a better place for them to live on. I'm a climate warrior. Are you?
My one wish for the planet is that all human beings recognize how deeply connected our lives, our health, our well-being, our peace, our progress and prosperity is with nature. Nature performs invaluable services. The food we eat, the water we drink, the air we breathe, the climate that makes our planet inhabitable, all of this is provided to us by nature. By becoming more aware and more compassionate towards the way we treat our natural environment, we can make a big difference. I'm a climate warrior. Are you?
If you had to share your one wish on World Environment Day, what would it be? Tell us in the comments.